Hello everyone, welcome to Kick Python. So in the previous video you had seen that we had wrote a program to find the even numbers from the list. So in this video we are going to find all the odd number from the list. So for that what I need to do, I need to do a small change in the previous program. So I am doing here, instead of equal to sign you need to write a exclamation mark, which means not equal to, means not equal to in Python programming. So let's run this. This will give us all the odd numbers from the list, which are 155. So the output is in single column. Make this output in a single line. With the print num, I am using here end. End is equal to quotation mark and a gap between them. So let's run this. This will give us the same output but in a single line. So I am adding here few more odd numbers like 379. So let's run this. This will give us the output 155379, which are all the odd numbers from the list. So this is how you can write a program to find all the odd numbers from a list. So thanks for watching this. I will meet you in the next video. So if you want to practice Python questions daily, so please join our Telegram group. The link is in description. Thank you.